Okay, now in this video I am going to talk about the question number 8, and this is also contain three variable x, y and z, you can see, and we need to find out how we can solve it out and get the value of x, y and z. Our preference is to choose the variable for elimination in which the front number is almost same or one or two equation is required to to multiply, so our calculation and the time could be same. Like suppose over here I have decided to eliminate y. Why? Because when you take first pair like this and this equation, this is negative y and this is positive y, and we not required to make the y coefficient same because already it is 1 1 same, and here simply I need to pick up these two equations and to add this y will get eliminated. Okay, now once you have decided to eliminate y, in the second pair also you need to sorry, to eliminate y variable. So here I am going to take, here also will be the three pair will be existing, first and second, second and third, first and third. So first I am going to choose this and this equation and going to eliminate y. Okay, so I am writing over here x minus y plus 3z is equals to 8, 3x plus y negative 2z is equals to negative 2, correct. Now I need to simply add because this is negative, this is positive, so when you add simply it will get eliminated. Okay, when we require to change the sign, when this y also would have been plus or either this y would have been negative, then one to make of opposite sign, to cancel out we need to change the sign. So here already it is of opposite sign, so will get cancel out. Now before this x you can't see any number, it is going to be 1, so 1x plus 3x is going to be 4x. Okay, this is 3z and this is negative 2z, so what is going to be going to come out 1z, and 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. Now this equation, because it contains two variable x and z, so this equation I have given the name equation number 4. Okay, now the second pair which I am going to take to eliminate y, that is second equation number second and equation number third. Okay, so I have picked up the 2z is negative 2 and the third equation is 2x plus 4y plus z is equals to 0. Okay, now to eliminate over here y, what I needed to make first y coefficient same, here is y4 here, so it means this equation I need to multiply by 4 to bring it over here 4, correct. And this equation we not required to make any kind of change because over here is 4, and when you multiply this by 4, here 4 will come, correct. So I am going to multiply this equation and going to write it over here. So 4 times 3, what is going to be 12x. Okay, 4 times y 4y. Okay, 4 times 2 negative 8z, 4 times negative 2 negative 8, correct. Now the second equation I need to write the same, so 2x plus 4y and plus z is equals to 0. Okay, now over here my question, we are making attempt to eliminate y, but over here y is also a positive and this y is also positive, so I need to make the changes to get it cancel out. So here 2x is positive because before 2x you can't see any sign, it means it is going to be positive, so make it negative. This 4y is also positive, so make it positive. This is also positive, so make it positive. This 0 either with positive or negative, that doesn't matter. So but still you can't see any sign, it means it is going to be positive, so I made it negative. Now 12x minus 2x, what is going to be 10x. This is cancel out. Okay, this is negative 8z and negative z, negative 8z minus 1z is going to be negative 9z, correct. So this is negative 9z is equals to negative 8, correct. Okay, now this is your equation number 5. Okay, now after elimination we have taken two pair and we got two equation. One is equation number 4, this equation, which is containing 4x plus 1z is equals to 6, and the another equation which is containing 10x minus 9z equals to negative 8. Now these two equations I need to take it further and to eliminate any of the variable which you like to eliminate, either x or z. This is the full procedure is coming through by with the help of this question. Okay, first we have taken any two pair from out of 3, and from those two pair I have decided to eliminate over here y, so I have eliminated y, and I got this one equation, and with the help of second and third equation I have eliminated y and I got this equation. Now I need to take this equation and this equation further to eliminate either x or z. That is going to be my choice, which variable I want to eliminate, either x or. So I'll write first 4 and 5 equation again and we'll see how we can eliminate. Okay, the equation is 4x plus 1z is equals to, one second, hold on, I'll put it in front of camera, and second equation is 10x minus 9z is equals to negative 8. Okay, this is your equation number 4 which we got, and this is your equation number 5. Okay, now to eliminate over here, either you are deciding to eliminate z or either you are deciding to x. X will be bit difficult to make it I think so. Yeah, correct. To make it to same, I need to multiply this equation also and this equation also. If you have decided to eliminate z, you will be at bit comfort level. Why? Because only this equation I need to multiply by 9 to bring it over here 9, because over here is 1, and this equation when will get multiplied by 9, here easily can come 9, and this equation is already having 9. So one equation calculation would be little less in comparison to x. So I have decided to eliminate z. So to make it over here 9, I have multiplied that equation by 9. So when you multiply 9 times 4, 36x. Okay, 9 times 1z is going to be 9z. Okay, 9 times 6 is going to be 54. Now this second equation is going to be the same, so I have written. Okay, now I need to draw a line. Okay, now this is positive and this is negative, cancel out. This is positive and this is positive, so will get added. It is going to be 46x equals to, now this is positive 54 and negative 8, so will get subtracted, will come. To remove this 46, I need to divide both sides by 46, so I have divided, so x equals to is coming 1. Okay, now this x value I need to plug in the equation which have got two variable, means equation 4 and 5, correct. So I am going to take equation 4 to plug in this x value. I have taken equation 4, and equation 4 is 4x plus 1z is equals to 6, this equation. Okay, now in this I am going to plug in x place 1, so 1z is equals to 6. 4 plus z, either you write 1z or z, that's same meaning. Okay, negative 4, 6 minus 4, so this 4 is cancel out. Now what is coming, and z is equals to 2, so this is z value is 2. Now this x and this z value you need to plug in the original 3 equation which in the starting you got it, these 3 equation 1, 2 and 3. Any one equation you need to take, and in that you need to plug in the value of x and z. As you will plug in x and z value, the y variable only will be left to calculate, and that we need to calculate. So I am going to take equation 1 to plug in the value of x and z. So the equation 1 is x minus y plus 3z equals to 8. Okay, the equation 1 is x minus y plus 3z is equals to 8, and in that I am going to plug in the value of x value. I got 1 and the z value was 2. Okay, this value I need to plug in. So x value 1, y I need to calculate 3, z value is 2 equals to 8. 1 minus y plus 3 times 2, 6 equals to 8. Okay, this is positive 1, this is, so 7 equals to 8. Now I need to remove this 7. So I'm going to remove, this is cancel out, negative y equals to 1. I need to remove this negative 1, so what I need to do, I need to divide both sides by 1. This y equals to negative 1. So I got the value of x equals to 1 and z y equals to negative 1 and z is equals to 2. So this is going to be the solution set for solving the pair of linear equation in 3 variable. There are 3 equations, so we need at least 3 equations to get the value of x, y and z. If 2 variables are there, so we needed minimum 2 equations to get the value of x and y, and which for that we have seen the solution. Yesterday we have seen the method. Sorry, and we see more examples in the next video. Thank you.